everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger Active Now status. If you are always shown active on Facebook Messenger and you really don't want to be bothered by anyone every time they see your Facebook Messenger active status, then there are some things you can do. In order to fix this issue, what you can do is simply log into your Facebook Messenger application, and once you do so, from the conversation screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Under Profile, you'll be able to see an active status, which is displayed as on. Simply tap it on and simply disable the button by tapping on it. From the pop-up, select Turn Off. If you tap on Turn Off, you won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active, recently active, or in a chat with you, and they won't be able to see when you're active on Facebook Messenger as well. Once you tap on Turn Off, you'll be able to see that you are no longer being able to see who is online on your Facebook Messenger, and that way you can fix the active status on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.